Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we show you how to enable or disable hardware acceleration in the Microsoft Edge web browser on your PC. Whether you want to optimize performance or troubleshoot issues, this quick guide has got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, let's open Microsoft Edge. Simply double-click the Edge in your icon on your desktop or find it in your Start menu. Once Edge is open, click on the three horizontal dots in the top right corner of the browser window to open the menu. From the menu, scroll down and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the System and Performance. On the left sidebar, and click on it. Now on the System and Performance, you'll see an option called Use Hardware Acceleration. Or use graphics acceleration. If you want to enable hardware acceleration, make sure this toggle is turned on. If you want to disable it, simply turn the toggle off. After making your choice, you'll need to restart Edge for the changes to take effect. Click on Restart when prompted. And that's it. This is how you successfully enable or disable the acceleration in the Microsoft Edge web browser.